Hello guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show to you how to create this kind of animation, as you can see, like that on Canva application. So the way to create it, first you need to open your Canva, make a video project like this, and then create a new page. Okay, let me delete this page first. Okay, and then when you already create this blank page, now you just need to insert an element onto it. Go to the elements button and insert the element that you want to use as a background. So for example, I'm using this element, this graphic of jungle, this one. And the next step, you just need to insert the object that you want to add the blob text. So for example, I just create an object that look like the previous video that you see before. Okay, I'm going to add this tiger onto this position. And then to make it much more realistic, I'm going to add a shadow onto this element. Go to the effect and click the shadow effect. Now you just need to use this drop shadow and adjust the blur amount as you want and the angle or the distance as you want. So for example, I'm going to decrease it onto this side, and for the angle I'm going to put it on this side like that, and for the distance I'm going to decrease it like this. Then go back to the page. Now you just need to insert a blob text kind of like this. Okay, insert it. You can find it by typing blobs like this. Sorry, bubble, I'm sorry, my mistake. So you can type this bubble text or bubble speech, this one, and the element will show up, and you need to use this graphic element, this one. You just need to click this see all, or maybe go to this graphic section, kind of like that. Okay, when you already adding the bubble speech onto the page like this, now the next step, you just need to insert a text onto it. So for example, I'm going to type hello like this, and then change the font onto the exact font that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to use this cookies font from my own Canva, then put it on this side like this. And the next step, you just need to add an animation onto the bubble text. Click this animate and use the animation that you want to add onto the object or the element. So for example, I'm using this pop animation, and I would like to decrease the speed of it like this, and I'm going to use this both on enter and on exit, kind of like that. And for the text, same as the bubble text, bubble speech, you just need to add an animation onto it too. So for example, I'm going to use maybe this fade, this fade animation, and I'm going to decrease the speed of it like this. Then go back again. Then the next step, you just need to click each of element and then click this three dots button, this one, and swipe up and then click this show element timing. Click it like this, and then go back to the page again, and you can adjust the duration from each element on this page. So click this hello, and I will create the hello text reveal when the bubble speech is already finished animating, kind of like that. Okay, and then I will decrease the duration from the text like this, and I'm going to put another text onto it. Okay, just need to duplicate this text, duplicate it, and you can put it on this side, put it after the first text disappear. Okay, now you just need to positioning it like this, and you can change the text. So for example, I'm going to type this, go back again, and you can play around, decrease the size of it and positioning it, kind of like that. And when you're done, you can see the result, and it will be look like this. And that's the way how to create this animation of a bubble speech on Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.